Today I am going to show you how to solve a problem that we have with NetHunter. Okay, some people they have it. I have seen it in many places. They were asking this. So whenever I try to open NetHunter KEX, it is giving me kind of error. So let me first show you that. Okay, let me zoom it a bit. So whenever I write nh and then KEX, hit enter, so it starts the server. Okay, so as you see, it is starting the VNC server, and it gives you a little error, but that is not the problem. Okay, so now I want to open NetHunter KEX, and here I give the password that I already provided, and I hit connect. So as you see right now, we are having a problem, an error. It is giving me that unable to connect settings server, failed to execute child process dbus-launch, no such file or directory. So I'm going to resolve this and be able to connect to Kali Linux server here, to Kali Linux actually GUI or graphic user interface. So let me come back here and open a new session here. I'm going to clear the screen. So it could be done or it could be resolved by installing dbus-x11, dbus-x11. If you install this, you will be able to resolve this. Okay, so right now I'm going to go to Kali or NetHunter. So I just write nh. Right now I'm in Kali, and in here I need to install that. So first let's update the repositories. Okay, update apt update, hit enter and wait a moment until it is completed. Okay, all the repository, when it is updated, then we will start installing that. As you see, we are not able to update the repositories, so that means we are not able to install that. So let's try that once. Okay, apt install dbus-x11, and if I hit enter, you see that has no installation candidates. So in here we need to edit a file called resolve.config, and by doing that we are able to update and then install this and then resolve the problem. So let's use sudo nano to edit this file. This file is in etc folder, and then it is called resolve. I think it has an e at the end, maybe dot, looks like it doesn't, .conf. Okay, now hit enter and then give the password for this is Kali. Okay, so right now you see we are having this file right here, and use these arrows to move down here, and then name server. Right now you see we have 127.0.0.5.3. so I need to comment this and add my own name server or another name server actually. So let's comment this and then move here and hit enter to come one line down. Okay, and now in here add this thing. Okay, write name server. Okay, name server, try to be the spell. Okay, be careful about the spell. now write it 0 happen. Okay, dot it, and the same thing with the other one. Okay, name server. Okay, this one is going to be it 44. Okay, it and 44. So as you see, now we are completed this, and now if you use Control X or just write it out, so we use Control O. So this thing, let me show you with this one. This one is Control. Okay, and hit Control and then O. Where is O? O is here. So now we write it that down and now hit enter. So now use Control X to write it and then close it. So now it is time to use apt update. hit enter and see if we are able to update the repositories or not. If you successfully update the repositories, that means you will be able to install that dbus X11. So right now you see it started to be updated, okay, and we are going to wait for a moment. Okay, you must be patient, okay, while you start to learn or do hacking, so it needs a lot of being patient. So I'm going to pause the video, okay, so when it is completed I will be back. Now you see that it is upgraded and about 746 packages can be upgraded if I run apt upgrade, but right now I'm not going to upgrade the system. The thing I want is to install dbus X11. So write apt install dbus X11 and hit enter, and let's see again, it is giving me that. Okay, now it is time to install this. So let's see if it is going to be installed successfully, or again it is going to give me some kind of error. As you see, no error happens. So okay, oh my god, it gives me a super user privilege error, so that is very easy to resolve it. So just use sudo at the beginning and then hit enter and hit Y and then wait. Okay, as you see, it is installed successfully. Okay, now it is time to exit this, okay, and clear this. Now let's launch the NetHunter KEX. So you could completely write NetHunter and then KEX, and or just write NHKEX and hit enter. So wait a moment until it is ready. So okay, now it is ready, and let's come back right here, NetHunter KEX, and here give the password. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the password that I already provided for you. Maybe it's going to be different. So now I'm going to hit this button you see, okay, that is connect. Boom, successfully solved the problem. Okay, so I have the mouse right now here, so I am going to hit the terminal. Okay, now you see the terminal is opened. Okay, so let me just hit this one, for example, writing who am I and then hitting enter. So as you see, it is Kali right now. If I just use sudo and then su and then hit enter and then give the Kali password, and right now you see that we are root. If typing who am I and hitting enter, you see that we are root now. That is perfect. I hope that this solves your issue too, and if you have any kind of questions or support or anything, just ask in the comments.